This is Japanese woodworking, known as Sashimono. Its distinguishing feature is that it uses no nails, screws, or glue. It totally relies on smartly designed and well-crafted joints. While an obvious use case is not having nails, this technique has several advantages over nails. As the joints are only made out of one material, everything tends to expand and contract about the same. And without metal, there's no risk of rust or corrosion. They also have a more even load distribution across the joint. Buildings built with Sashimono have stood for hundreds of years. And one more advantage, the joints are easier to disassemble than those made with glue or nails.